Hey you all, welcome back to yet another video. I hope you guys are all good. We're almost at the end of the year, so I'm bringing you my annual favorite products list, favorite hair products list. So these products are products that I love for my hair, so some of them might be making it on the list every single year because my hair just loves these products, so I can't get a replacement for them, like something better for my hair. And then some of them are going to be new products that I've found throughout this year, and I want you guys to also try them because they are amazing for my hair at least. So about my hair, I have 4C hair, which is low porosity, and also it shrinks quite a lot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Grab a cup of tea or something to chew on while we go through these products, and let's get into it. So how I'm going to be going through this list is I'm going to be going through my step-by-step wash day routine or normal routine that I go through for my hair. So I'll first start with detangling products, I'll then go to shampoos, I'll go to deep conditioners, I'll go to oils, and then I'll go to daily moisturizers that you would use on your hair or stylers. And then I'm not going by maybe my least favorite products to my favorite or my favorites to my least favorite, so it's just going to be going by routine. So for my favorite detangler, I'm gonna go with the NativeChild Milk and Honey Moisture Cream. So you can use this to moisturize your hair, to detangle or to condition, but I use it specifically to detangle my hair on almost every wash day. I love this detangler because it has so much slip. I love that it makes my hair feel so moisturized, and I also love that it's easy to wash out. So when I use this detangler, I do not feel like my hair is too moisturized, greasy, or there's a lot of products like product buildup after washing my hair, because it's just a simple product with all natural eco-friendly ingredients. It has, I think, shea butter and avocado oil. Very simple product. It's paraben free, mineral oil free, those things that you would want on your natural hair, you know. So I love this detangler, and it's one of those detanglers that I'm just going to be using for a long time because I haven't found a replacement for it that I would say surpasses this detangler. For me, this is my favorite detangler for the year or maybe forever. So for shampoos, I have two shampoos that have made it to the list. One is one that makes it on the list every single year because I literally love the shampoo, and then the other one is just a shampoo that I found this year that is also going to be one of my favorites that I'm gonna keep going back to. So the first shampoo that I'm gonna be going through is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo that has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I love the shampoo, especially because sometimes I have an itchy scalp, so I need that relief. When I wash my hair with this product, it feels so refreshed, like my scalp literally feels so amazing. And then I love the way it also makes my hair feel so strong yet very moisturized. Like, this is a moisturizing shampoo, and also you'll find that your scalp feels so clean, and it helps with the relief of an itchy scalp, which is one of the main reasons why it remains on my favorite natural hair products list. It's a clarifying shampoo that removes all the buildup on your hair. That is a fact. It does remove buildup from your hair, so that's one of the things I love about this shampoo. And I love that it makes your hair feel super clean without leaving it feeling super dry or tangled, you know. That's the nature of my hair. It shrinks a lot, so if you find a shampoo that makes your hair too dry, it's gonna tangle a lot, and it's gonna be so difficult for me when I'm trying to style it. So the next shampoo that I'm going to be going through is the MPL Charcoal Purifying Shampoo. I love that this shampoo is very clarifying, but it won't leave your hair feeling stripped at all. And it's also good for your scalp because I think it has charcoal and peppermint, so it also deals with the same problems I have, which is an itchy scalp. It does relieve the itchy scalp a bit, and also won't leave your hair feeling tangled and so dry after washing it. It's a very affordable shampoo. It's cheaper than most brands, I think, and that's what I love about it. Like, it's cheaper than most brands, but it works so amazingly on the hair. And then for co-washing, which I do when I want to do a wash and go, or I want to wash in between my wash day routines. I wash my hair every week, so if I want to maybe wash my hair in the middle of that week, I'll just co-wash my hair instead of using a shampoo, because a co-wash is not stripping. It's literally just a conditioner wash, mostly conditioner, which washes out of your hair, and it's a creamy cleanser basically. So my favorite for this is the Cantu Shea Butter Co-Wash. I love this Shea Butter Co-Wash. It's a very large product, so it will literally last you for a very long time. It's very moisturizing. It doesn't leave your hair feeling stripped. You won't have hair that feels too moisturized, or you won't have hair that feels very producty. It also helps with defining the hair, which is why I quite love using it when I'm doing a wash and go, and I'm gonna be using this one for quite a while. And then for deep conditioning my hair, it's just gonna be two products. One makes it every year, or has made it last year to the list, and then the other one is a new one that I tried this year and I loved. One is a treatment and the other one is just a regular deep conditioner that you can also use as a leave-in conditioner. So this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner is something that I've loved for quite a long time in my natural hair journey. It's very moisturizing. I love that it's moisturizing. I use this to deep condition a lot, and it has that slip that you want on your hair to deep condition and penetrate your hair. When I deep condition, I usually do rinse my hair after deep conditioning, but you'll find that this product still will be in your hair. It's deep within your hair feels soft, it feels so moisturized. It's like a cloud, like touching a cloud literally. I love this product, and it's one of those that will make it probably on the list every year, because this is one of the conditioners that surpasses other conditioners that I've used, and I've used quite a lot of conditioners. So this one is one that you can use if you maybe have dry hair, or even if you have high porosity hair. This one is definitely the one for you. If you have color treated hair, if you maybe have heat damaged hair, this one I think is one of the best conditioners that you could use for your hair. You can also use it as a leave-in conditioner, which is another thing that I love about it. So you can use it as a leave-in that you can style with, maybe put your hair in a bun, or just style it in another way, braid it. It's literally one of those multi-purpose conditioners that I really love for my hair. It makes my hair look and feel amazing. As you can see, my hair is shiny, it looks thick, full. It doesn't look weighed down because of this conditioner. And then the other thing is the Shea Moisture Black Jamaican Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. This one is literally a treatment, but you can use it mostly as a deep conditioner, because after using this, it says you can style your hair, so you don't need to put another deep conditioner after using this treatment mask. So I usually just use it alone. I don't use another deep conditioner after using this treatment mask. It's very moisturizing. Like, you can feel your hair is moisturized like that restorative conditioner, but this one also makes your hair feel strong. So it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, which is that ingredient. Those ingredients just work well with my scalp and my hair, so it smells amazing, and also it helps the hair feel stronger, because it literally penetrates the hair to make it feel stronger, feel healthy, and also look healthy. And then moving on to oils, I have 2 oils and 1 hair food that I'm gonna take you through. I guess you guys know which ones those are, because I've done a lot of videos about one of these oils. So the MPL black castor oil, I literally have one video that is dedicated just to this oil because it's so amazing. It's rich in omega-9 fatty acids. It makes the hair fuller, thicker, and also stronger. You can see this is the last step in my wash day routine, where I'll just wash my hair, and then I'll deep condition, and then I'll just seal in everything. I'll seal in the water, the conditioner, literally every moisture in my hair. I'll seal it in with this black Jamaican castor oil. It has literally made my hair feel so amazing. It makes your hair feel moisturized. Generally, castor oil is thick and just sits on your hair, but this one, it does penetrate your hair. This one is one of MPL's best products. It's one of those products that I'm going to be using for a very long time until they decide that they're not doing it anymore, because it's that good. I love this MPL black Jamaican castor oil, or black castor oil, not black Jamaican castor oil, and it's gonna be sitting in my products for a long time because it's one of my staples in my wash day routine. So another oil that I've been trying to work with is the AfriPure tea tree oil, anti-itch and tension relief. This one is one that I'll usually just put on my scalp if my scalp is feeling itchy, and I'll massage it onto my scalp. It does give a momentary relief. I'm not one to usually oil my scalp or put things on my scalp because it's quite sensitive, but I found this oil to be literally a good one. It's fragrance free and has 99% natural oils. So for now, this is one of my favorite oils that I can put on my scalp, the one and the only actually that I can literally say I'm massaging my scalp with for the moment. It also says that it reduces hair fall and has vitamin E and aloe vera, so those are good ingredients. I can't speak about it growing hair because I haven't noticed that yet, but to relieve an itchy scalp, it does work well. Like if you want immediate relief from an itchy scalp, try this anti-itch cream. Another oil, I won't say it's an oil, I don't know if it's an oil or a conditioner, stuck in the middle, but it's very moisturizing. I love this MPL hair food. It's quite greasy because I've been using it quite a lot. I use this usually after washing my hair, after oiling it. I'll just put it on top of my almost dry hair, and it makes my hair feel so soft. It makes my hair easy to comb out, and it's a very good styling product. Like if you have a difficult time combing out your hair, which I don't do every day, like I'll just do it when I want to style my hair into an afro or things like that, I'll just use this MPL hair food, and it's so good on your hair. But I wouldn't use it every day because it does quite build up on your hair. And then to moisturize, to style, and also to moisturize your hair throughout the week after you've washed your hair, done everything, moisturized, deep conditioned, oiled your hair, there's 3 products that I'm gonna go through, and all of them are new to this list. Well, I think 2 are. One of the products I love when I have like a style on my hair, like maybe I have a flat twist, I have braids or something, is this NativeChild Happy Hair Hydrating Mist. It has aloe vera and vitamin E. This mist is very moisturizing. It's very moisturizing. If you feel your hair is literally so dry, this is one of those products that will give you immediate hydration on your hair. It's very moisturizing and can bring back your hair from that dry spell if you're having that and you can't wash your hair immediately. So I'd try this hydrating mist. For daily use, I've been using this As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. It has vitamin C and vitamin E. This one is so hydrating. It leaves my hair feeling so hydrated, but it doesn't build up on my hair. That's what I love about this water. Usually I would just use water and oil conditioner mixed into a water bottle, but I found this quite convenient because now I don't have to do that mix. I'll just take the spray it on throughout my hair, so it has helped my hair look so strong. It looks shiny, it looks beautiful, and also it's not building up on my hair, so I can even extend my wash day because I do not have that built up. My hair is looking healthy, it's feeling hydrated without that icky feeling on your hair. It's a very good one. And the last products that I'm gonna go through is the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Curling Cream. When I'm doing a flexi rod set, I'm doing a perm rod set, I'm doing a twist out, I'm doing a braid out, this is the products that I'm gonna go to because it styles your hair quite so well and it literally makes your hair moisturize. So you're literally winning twice here. It's gonna moisturize your hair, leave it feeling soft, looking so good and shiny and smooth. So if you want to style your hair in a curly style, this is one of my recommendations that I would be using for any curly style or any manipulation that you would want to do on your hair to get those curls, twist out or braid out. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and will be letting me know about your favorite hair products down below in the comment sections. You guys know I'm a product junkie and I'll probably try those products and I'll be sure to get back to you. Bye.